ABVP has geared out the Jharkhand Chief Minister's residence over the irregularities. In fact, the ABVP are condemning the arrest of many of its Karyakartas during what they said was a peaceful march against irregularities in JPSC and JSSC examinations. So the Karyakartas marched from the Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee University to the Chief Minister's residence and geared out the residence to demand justice to the affected students. And the police officials forcibly detained dozens of Karyakartas, many of them the ABVP workers, as well as the ABVP Jharkhand State Secretary Prakash, who have been taken by the police officials. And it is the very same demand here as well. And they've, amid the politics around it, of course, the student protest has also been going on for 15 days here. And many political leaders, including the BJP, have also been drawing parallels between what's happening at Jantar Mantar or what happened in Jantar Mantar versus the response in Ranchi. And very clearly here as well in the case, they were marching towards the assembly and the police officials stopped them, similar to what happened in their parliament march. But back then there were many opposition leaders who raised a voice and gave their support to the students, who seem to be completely mum in this case.
Well, yes, here what the interesting part out here is, nowhere in the country do we see BJP and Congress uniting, but out here in fact they have sort of joined hands, because we see BVP coming, we also see the National Students Union of India coming. So this somewhere seems to highlight the fact that both the political arch rivals have joined hands so that the larger cause of education improvement in the state of Jharkhand can really go to higher levels. And these leaks and the kind of corruption that is engaged inside the education system in the state.
And they, really, many pointing out, if it was about transparency in the examination process, then political leaders must speak up in this case as well, not just stay silent when it is the JMM ruled Jharkhand, isn't it? Dev, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast with all those details.